wabarakatuh. Our grade 4. Welcome to mathematics lessons. Today we will talk about area and perimeter. Let's review a little bit about the area and perimeter that we have learned. Okay, this one. Area is the space inside the shape. So the yellow part is the area and the perimeter is the distance around the shape. So the red line is the perimeter. Area, there are 6 centimeters square. Don't forget with the squares. And the perimeter, you just need to count the line that is outside the shape, which is 10 centimeters. Okay, let's see this one. These rectangles are all made from 1 centimeter squares. Let's see. Oh, but this rectangle has a corner that is ripped off. So we can still see in our heads where the shape ends. We can visualize the missing grid lines to complete the shape. Do you know how many squares that is lost in here? Yes, the area of this rectangle was 10 centimeter squares. Count how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the perimeter, you just count the line, but only the outside. The outside, not the insides. There are 14 centimeters. Good. Now let's see some more rectangles with the missing corners. See the first shape. This one. The first shape, this one is the first shape, this one is the second, this one is the third shape. The first shape, you can see this one, we can make the line like this, so we will know how many square that is ripped off. So this one, there are 2 square that is ripped off. For the second shape, you can see this one. So this one that is ripped off, and the third one, you can draw it tidily in your notebook if you have okay, this one, so we can visualize in our head. So it will be, the area will be 9 for the shape 1, shape 2 the area will be 8, shape 3 the area will be 15, while the perimeter is 12. See 1, and then this one, how about this rectangle? The end has ripped off. We cannot tell how long it was, but we can see how wide it is. There are 2 squares wide. So the first possibility is if the area of this rectangle is 6, so there will be 1. There are 2 squares that is ripped off. This one, the perimeter would have been 10 centimeters, just like before this one. So remember, just count the outside lines for the perimeter. And the area of this rectangle was 8 centimeters. If there are more square that is ripped off, the perimeter would have been 12 centimeters, or it will looks like this. The third one, if the area of this rectangle was 20 centimeters square, the perimeter would have been 24 centimeters. So this one. Okay, so you can compare. If it is area, it will be in centimeters square. If it is perimeter, it will be in centimeter without the squares. For learner's book, page 101, this is number 3. Let's do this together. Okay, there's a table like this. You can start to complete the table. The first shape, the area is 3 centimeters square and the perimeter is 8. We can count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 centimeters of the perimeter. The second one, the area, you just count how many squares. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 centimeters square. How about the perimeter? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see this one, it makes a sequence for the perimeter. So the third one is 15. It's too hard for us to see what is the rules for 3, 8, and 15. What will be the next? But if you draw the shapes, you will know. And the perimeter, we can see this one, 8 and 12. It will be plus 4. We can guess for the next. It will be plus 4. Is it true or not? So let's draw the fourth. Yes, let's see if it is plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. It's always plus 4. Let's see the shape. See this one, if it is for the fourth shape, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, there are 4 squares in the top, 3 squares on the top, 2 squares on the top, 1 square on the top. So this one 4. Next one will be 5, 5, 5, 5. See this one, it's always adding by 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we count how many squares? 24. There are 24 centimeter squares. How about the perimeter? Are we? Is it true or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See, we are right. So it's always adding by 4, the perimeter. Let's see for the fifth one. Okay, the fifth will be looks like this. And you can count this one. There are 35 square. So we count 35 centimeter squares. And the perimeter is 24. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 and 6 make it 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 22, 22, 23, and 24. There are 24 centimeters. So for the next one, predict what the area. You can see it's number 3D on page 101. You have to draw the sixth shape to check whether what is the area and what is the perimeter. Okay, so this is for number 3 learner's book, page 101. Okay, so for the summary of this lessons is that area is measured in square units. Always don't forget to put the units square, centimeter with a little 2 on the top, or also it can be in square meters, while the perimeter is measured in units like centimeters and meters without the square because it's only a distance. And the area can be found by counting square. Just need to count how many squares in there to know what is the area. Okay, now it's your turn to try the learner's book, page 100 and 101. You have to use your notebook in order to write it down because there are some parts that needs to draw and it won't be fit in your learner's book. So please try number 1 until number 3. We have the number 3 together. You just need to backward this video again and then see and then to complete it again. But number 1 and 2, I believe that you can do it on your own. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.